falls quiet as I reach this place. A faint outline settles at the far edge of thought. I pause, unsure if I'm ready to see the truth. There's something familiar in the silence before me, a shape returning through the stillness of my mind. I feel its weight without knowing its name, a memory I lost breathes just beneath the surface. The air carries what I failed to remember, a distant thread connecting what I was to what remains. I stand here suspended between knowing and forgetting. This is the moment I discover what I've missed. The echo I followed now stands before me, and in the same breath that brings it back, I feel the quiet ache of losing it again. I try to reach for what's rising inside me, but the details slip through my hands like mist. It's close enough to soften the emptiness, yet far enough to remind me of the space it left. I listen for the sound of what once was mine, but the silence answers in a single gentle thread. I know this feeling, even if I cannot name it. I see the shape of something I once held, a truth that returns only to drift away again. This is the moment I discover what I've missed. The echo I follow now stands before me, and in the same breath that brings it back, I feel the quiet ache of losing it again. The path waits behind the stillness I stand in. What I found here lingers only as a shadow, and though it cannot stay, I carry the outline with me. A loss recovered just long enough to remember.